Hello web developers. Let's create this type of animation. This is called letter spacing animation. Okay, so you can also use this in your web pages by using this HTML and CSS code. Okay, so let's start. That's fine. We are in VS Code and let's create a file inside this letter spacing animation folder. Okay, so index.html is our file and create basic boilerplate of HTML through shift and exclamation mark. Okay, then enter your title. Title is letter spacing animation. Okay, then body tag. Okay, let's know this GitHub Copilot for 1 hour. Okay, then h1 tag with a class name. Sorry, class name is anything spread. Okay, just like spread. Then write this text animation. Okay, and now create our new file style.css for style.css. Before working on this file, we need to run this program on live server. Okay, so run on live server, that will update automatically when we save this program. Okay, cancel. Now in CSS, provide body, style, background, background white. Okay, you can change as you want. Display flags, then justify content center, align item center, height 100 vs सेमी होता है. ओके, बस सेंट्रोइड अगर करना है आपको तो डिस्प्ले फ्लैग्स. ओके, शायद हमने लिंक नहीं की अपनी सीएस. ओके, तो सीएसएस को लिंक करेंगे style और css. ओके, now it is moved on to center of this page. Now spread class. Okay, height 42 pixel. Okay, spread, yeah, letter spacing. Okay, 2 pixel. And animation spread 2 second. Infinite alternate. Okay, then at the rate keyframes identifier is spread. Okay, then from letter spacing first for only 2 pixel. Okay, start through 2 pixel and it will go until from 2 letter spacing 10 pixel. Okay, now this animation is working perfectly. Okay, for this is spreading these letters. Okay, so you can also make this type of animation by using this program. Okay, this is very simple program of HTML and CSS. Okay, thanks for watching this. We will meet in our upcoming video of web development.